Hello there, it's Tonya Craig from Craig Loves to Crochet. Very short video again, just to show how to sew the running stitch that we need to make the rainbow. So as you can see, I've done the blanket stitch all around on the red felt. I've cut out the template and pinned it to the orange template and pinned the orange felt to the red for the start. And I have attached my thread, just tied a knot, attached it through to the back of the orange, and now I'm going to go through both pieces of felt and start my running stitch. So it's very, very easy. All we need to do is just put our needle about half an inch down and pull your thread from the front to the back of your work. Then from the back, what you need to do is just not such a large stitch this time, just make sure that you're all lined up from the front so it's not a wonky, and pull that all the way through. Again, it's very much like a tack, like a tacking stitch, you know, if you were to tack some material together. So we've been making these rainbows, or I've designed this rainbow especially really for what is an absolute nightmare of a pandemic that's going on at the moment in the UK and across the world. And we're all in isolation, but here in the UK we're putting all of our rainbows and our teddy bears in the window for the children and for everyone to show solidarity for our thankfulness for the NHS and all of the key workers, of which I am one, who are going out and keeping the country together whilst we're in this huge lockdown. So as you can see, it's very, very simple. It's just a really very simple sort of tacking stitch. I mean, I have said in the instructions that really you could just glue it on if you wanted to, but I'm stitching it. Now what you would do next is you'll go and get your next colour. So next colour is the yellow. I've already cut this pattern out. You would pin that with your pins to the felt, and then you would do your running stitch all the way around here again. If you can see, the way I've designed it is that actually it's easier the longer you get, because you can actually tack it into the just the yellow and the red all the way around. Then you would add your next colour and so on. So I'll see you at the end. I'm looking forward to seeing all your rainbows. Stay safe everybody, and thank you for watching my tutorial.